tonight, let's see. I am going to make some candles. This is not a makeup video, even though my makeup is done. This is from a video that I made previously in the day. But I'm going to make some candles. I have gone to a candle making class twice. As for me, candles, being that we are quarantined and we can't go outside, I ordered a candle making kit. And I was like, you know what? It is called Makeup and Things. Didn't say what the things were. So here we are tonight. We're going to make some candles. So stay tuned. It's going to be fast. It's going to be fast, but I will slow down some parts and I hope you enjoy. So the kit arrived and I have the candle. This is a 100% natural soy wax in here. The pre-measured scent. This is grapefruit mangosteen. It smells so good. What else? We have the 2 9-ounce jars for the candles. I will not be, because anything hit my floor is gonna break. So use that. You have the wicks. The wicks are here. And you have the stickers that you place on the bottom of it to stick it. In the jar, you have the wick holders. So when you're pouring in your candle wax, it keeps the wick in place. You have your stick to stir the wax. Your pouring pitcher. I'm going to place the wax in here. I'm going to melt it in the microwave. And I have warning labels. Because, of course, you know, candles always have to have a label, a warning label on them. And then I have my labels to label my candles. All right. So the first things first, I'm going to speed this part up because I don't want to give away the details. Like I said, if you are interested in ordering this kit, you can go to asformecandles.com. The kit, I forget how much I paid for it. Sorry. Maybe I'll add that in the comment section. But you can go to As For Me Candles. She does sell ready-made candles, and she does sell the kit that you can make your own candles at home. I'm a candle girl. I love candles. I'm always burning candles in the house. So instead of buying the ready-made ones, I was like, you know what? We're quarantining. Why not make candles? Why have all this time? So I'm going to speed through this process to not give away too much. But let's make candles. Come on. see, my candles are almost solid. They're not completely cold. The instructions did say between 1 to 3 hours to let them sit so they could form. And what I'm going to do is I am going to cut the wick. I'll bring you guys in closer. I'll cut the wick. Once I know that is fully cold, like solid, because it's probably still a little warm in here. I did open the window in my apartment, just so it could cool down faster. So once that is done, I will cut it. I don't know if I really want to light it because it smells so good. My apartment smells heavenly right now because of the scent and the candles. So yeah, there you have it. Like I said, the website is www.asformecandles.com. I will put it in the description box. And I do thank you guys for tuning in. I know this is not my normal video, but like I said, I love candles. So I will definitely support them again because like I said, can't have too many candles, and a girl loves her candles. So until next time, thank you.